Hi everyone, we are given this equation to solve. The integral of x to the power of 5 multiplied by e to the power of minus x cubed dx. What method should I use to solve for this? Should I use integration by parts or should I use substitution? Let's stare at this equation for a while and we'll notice that some students will be tempted to use integration by parts because this is a product of two functions. Integration by parts, we know that we have to differentiate one of the terms and integrate the other term. So we ask ourselves, which term can I not integrate? I cannot integrate the second term, e to the power of minus x cubed, which means that I'll have to differentiate this term. But wait a minute, if I differentiate this term, then I'll have to end up using a product rule, which will make things very messy. So knowing that it will make things very messy, I should not proceed. We should make things simpler for ourselves, right? Okay, so integration by parts is out of the question for solving this. Let's try to use another method called the U substitution method. For U substitution, we will need to let u to be equals to something. We look at the exponential term. We see an x cubed over here, so let u equals to x cubed. Then we can find du. Du is 3x squared. Okay, now let's try to find 3x squared in the original equation. We can't find it, we only can find x to the power of 5. So let's deconstruct x to the power of 5 to make things easier for us. X to the power of 5 will be 3x squared. Then we ask ourselves what's missing over here. 3x squared, what's missing will be x cubed. And what's extra here is the 3. So whatever we do to the numerator, we do to the denominator. Whatever that's missing in the product, we need to multiply back. So it's 3x squared multiplied by x cubed divided by 3. So this is x to the power of 5. The rest, we'll keep it the same. E minus x cubed dx. Now we just need to integrate this term by replacing all the x cubed with u and 3x squared with du. So these are the terms that we can replace. So all these things will become u over 3, e to the power minus u, du, and we just need to integrate this thing. So any constant, we can just bring outside, 1/3, integral u e minus u du. Okay, now over here, obviously we cannot use u substitution again. This is another product, but this product is much simpler than the original product. So what shall we do? Integration by parts. So we can write d on one side and I on one side. We just keep on differentiating one of the terms. So d, differentiate this u and integrate the other term, e to the power of minus u. So differentiate will be 1, 0. Integrate will be like this. And don't forget the plus minus, draw an arrow. Okay, so over here, this equation can be equated to 1/3 negative u e minus u minus e minus u. Over here, we just need to replace u to be x cubed and we'll have the answer. So if we encounter this kind of equations again, we always ask ourselves, can we do integration by parts if we see a multiplication? If we cannot do integration by parts, then we should try use substitution. If we brute force use integration by parts, then we will not get any answer because by using brute force, we will end up having a product rule or a chain rule, which will make things very bad. Our role in mathematics is to make things easier for us to solve. Hopefully this helps and all the best.